In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online, making collaboration efficient and stress-free. Let's jump right in and get started with the initial setup. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account, so open up your web browser of choice, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or another option, and head over to the QuickBooks site. Once there, sign in with your credentials to access your account. This sets the stage for all the subsequent steps, so make sure you've got the right account information handy. Once you're logged in, let's move on to extending an invitation to your accountant. Look towards the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen for the gear icon, which looks like a small cogwheel. Click on this, and you'll reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to navigate to the Your Company section. Here, select the option labeled Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your QuickBooks data. Within the Manage Users area, you'll notice a tab specifically for accounting firms. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll want to invite your accountant by clicking on Invite Accountant. This will open up a form where you should enter your accountant's email address accurately. Double check that there aren't any typos, as this email serves as their gateway into your account. After entering the email, you'll see an option to either save or directly send invitation. By clicking this button, you'll trigger an invitation email to be sent, inviting your accountant to join your QuickBooks Online setup, granting them the necessary permissions to assist you effectively. Now, a quick note on what happens next. Your accountant will receive this invitation in their inbox. Once they accept it, they'll gain access to your QuickBooks Online company. This access isn't just generic. They'll have specialized permissions tailored for accountants, ensuring they can perform their duties effectively without any roadblocks. And there you have it. With these few straightforward steps, you've successfully invited your accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. This collaboration can truly streamline your accounting processes, facilitating a smoother financial operation. By bringing your accountant into the digital fold, you're setting yourself up for clearer communication and more effective financial management. Stay tuned for more tips and guides. Optimize your QuickBooks experience, and remember, a little preparation and collaboration can make